everyone, welcome back to my channel German Wissen, and all our new subscribers, welcome to German Wissen. Okay, so I hope you liked the previous sessions and we completed all our relative pronomens. In case if you have any doubts, you can go through with it quickly. And today's topic is Adjektiveendungen. So again, this is a very complicated topic that people, sometimes the learners get the difficulty in understanding which adjective ending will come in the that particular adjective that we are writing. So I hope this video will help you to understand it and then just use it how we can do in the grammar part. Okay, so stay tuned and you will get the rules also at the end of this video and also at the end of this topic. So please stay tuned. Let's start. Okay, so today we are going to start with adjective endungen. Now this Adjektiveendungen has three parts, which is bestimmt, then we have unbestimmt, and then we have the ohne. That means bestimmt, these two we did at the time of articles also. Bestimmt articles means specific, unbestimmt article is unspecific, and then ohne, which is without any articles. But in today's video we are going to learn only with the bestimmt article. So let's see here. You already know that under bestimmt articles we did in nominative as der, die, das and die. In the case of accusative, we have den, die, das and die. In the case of dative, we have dem, der, dem and then den plus n. In the case of genitive, in the genitive case we did as des plus s and es, there, again des plus s and es and then there. Alright, so these are the bestimmt articles, but we are learning Adjektiveendungen. So let's see what are the adjective endings we have as per masculine, feminine, neutral and plural. So let me write it here as masculine, feminine, neutral and plural. Let's see the adjective endings, bestimmt adjective endings. In the case of nominative, the endings will go like e in masculine, e in feminine, e in neutral and en in plural. Accusative, again en in the masculine, e and then en in plural. Here we have the very easy thing that dative and genitive, they both always comes as en in all the cases. Here we have all the adjective endings of bestimmt articles. But let's see what are the rules that can help you in understanding to how we can use these endings. Let's see the rules now. So rules I am writing here. First rule says that check which table to use. Table, whether it's a bestimmt or unbestimmt. How you get to know this? Through the article. Article will help you to know whether the case is bestimmt or unbestimmt. Second rule says check the verb or structure, because this verb or structure will help you to know whether it is your nominative, accusative, dative or genitive. Third rule says that check the article again just to know whether you have to go with the gender, which gender basically. Is it a masculine, feminine, neutral or plural? So we did three rules. First says check the table, which will be obviously through article, whether it's a bestimmt, unbestimmt or ohne. Second rule says check the verb, that will help you to know the structure. Basically structure and verb will help you to know the that cases, basically nominative, accusative, dative or genitive, help you to with the cases. Then third rule says check the article, which will help you with the gender. So now when you have these rules, let's apply this in a sentence. I am taking one sentence as Ich habe das neue Buch gekauft. Ich habe das neue Buch gekauft. Now let's just follow the structure. My first rule says which table. Okay, I know the article is das, so it will be bestimmt. I got to know that I have to go with the bestimmt article. That means bestimmt table. Second rule says check the verb, that will help you to know the case. Okay. If you can check it through the structure, let's say you understood that the structure is okay, the structure is going with the accusative case, that's good. If not, just see the verb kaufen. Why I am not saying this habe? Because this is a perfect tense. Habe gekauft. So our actual verb is kaufen, and kaufen is always accusative. It is always accusative. Our third rule says check the article to know the gender. I got to know I have two hints now. I have to go with the bestimmt table, which is this one. Then I have to go with the accusative column, which is this one. And then the third rule says the gender. Book is das Buch, which is neutral. So I got to know, okay, accusative and neutral, which is this one. E. Masculine, feminine, neutral and E. So it will be das neue Buch gekauft. Ich habe das neue Buch gekauft. I hope it is easy to understand now. Okay, let's take one more example. Mit dem Auto fahre ich nicht mehr. Mit dem Auto fahre ich nicht mehr. Okay, so it's very clear that mit is a dative preposition. That means your sentence is dative. Let's follow the structure once again. Which table is this? Bestimmt, unbestimmt or ohne? Obviously we have dem, so that means it is a bestimmt table. Second rule, check the verb. Here we have the preposition, so there is no need of giving the preference to the verb. We are very clear that mit is dative and we have to follow the dative structure only. Dative table only. So here we have dative, all en. When we have all en, obviously we can directly write en only. But then again let's see the third one. Check the article to get the gender. Auto is das Auto, which is neutral. So dem, which is en. Dative, neutral column, which is en. Mit dem alten Auto fahre ich nicht mehr. So now you can see that how easy it is. I hope you also find it easy now that you have 3 rules to follow. Simply use it and try all the bestimmt adjective endings. If you want any exercise from me, please comment below. I'll help you with lots of exercises in this. And this is a topic which actually needs the practice. That's fine. Alright, let's see. In the next session, we are going to learn about unbestimmt article and then ohne article. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel. Cheers.